Molweni, in this lesson we are going to look at instructions, typical instructions issued whilst teaching or lecturing, and the translation for the word instructions is imiyalelo, imiyalelo, and these are obviously directed at one or more than one person. This is essentially a vocabulary building exercise, and it is quite extensive, but what you will notice when you look at the difference between singular and plural is that the only difference is the ni, which is added at the end of the verb, in much the way as one would say molo and molweni when greeting. So as I say, this is essentially vocabulary, and there will be lots of revision and practice. So here we go. Listen. Mamela. Mamelani. Take note. Qaphela. Qaphelani. Write down or make a note. Bhala phansi. Bhalani phansi. Look here. Jonga apha or jongapha. Jongani apha. Look in the book. Jonga encwadini. Jongani ezincwadini. And of course it is ezincwadini because you will be looking in books. Jonga ebhodini. Jongani ebhodini. Look at the screen. Jonga esikrinini. Jongani esikrinini. Erase or delete or switch off even. Cima. Cimani. Underline. Khwela umgca. Khwela umgca. Khwelani umgca. Difficult one to get your vocal system around with this sound. Turn the page. Kila iphepha. Kila iphepha. Kilani iphepha. Read or learn. Funda. Fundani. Write your name at the top, or write your names at the top. Bhala igama lakho phezulu. Bhala igama lakho phezulu. Bhalani amagama enu phezulu. The difference then, bhalani, and of course amagama enu, as opposed to igama lakho. Answer. Pendula. Pendulani. Translate. Guqula. Guqula. Guqulani. Translate into isiXhosa. Guqula esiXhoseni. Guqula esiXhoseni. Guqulani esiXhoseni. Guqulani esiXhoseni. Translate into English. Guqula esiNgesini. Guqula esiNgesini. Guqulani esiNgesini. Remember this rule. Khumbula lo mgaqo. Khumbula lo mgaqo. Khumbulani lo mgaqo. Discuss. Xoxa. Xoxa. Xoxani. Discuss briefly. Xoxa ngokufutshane. Xoxa ngokufutshane. Xoxani ngokufutshane. Add these numbers. Dibanisa la manani. La manani are these numbers. Dibanisani la manani. Dibanisa can also mean join. Count. Bala. Bala. It's an implosive sound. Bala. Balani. Relate or tell a story. Balisa. Ibali. Balisa ibali. Balisani ibali. As opposed to write, this was a b implosive sound, and this is a b, a more aspirated explosive sound. Bala, bala, balani. Write a paragraph. Bala umhlati. Balani umhlati. Write 10 lines. Bala imigca elishumi. Balani imigca elishumi. Write a dialogue. Bala incoko. Balani incoko. Write an essay. Bala isincoko. Balani isincoko. So umhlati, paragraph. Imigca elishumi, 10 lines. Incoko, a dialogue. Isincoko, an essay. Bhala phansi, write down or take note. We've had this before. So quite extensive use of bhala. Subtract. Tabata. Tabatani. Multiply. Pinda pinda. Pinda pinda. Pinda pindani. Divide. Yahlula. Yahlula. Yahlulani. Ask. Buza. Buza. Buzani. Buzani. Speak up. Phakamisa ilizwi. Phakamisa ilizwi. Phakamisani amazwi. Voices. Raise the voices. Speak. Teta. Tetani. Repeat. Pinda. Pindani. Make an effort. Try. Zama, or you could have linga. Zamani or lingani. Bring something. Yizane. If the word begins with I, you will have ne. For example, incwadi. Yiza nencwadi. Any word beginning with u, you will use no. So sebenzi, the work. Yiza nom sebenzi. Bring the amaphepha, the pages. Any word beginning with a. Yiza namaphepha. So yizani nencwadi. Yizani nomsebenzi. Yizani namaphepha. Complete the work at home. Gqibezela umsebenzi ekhaya. Gqibezela umsebenzi ekhaya. Gqibezelani umsebenzi ekhaya. Make a summary or do a summary. Yenza isishwankathelo. Yenza isishwankathelo. shwankatelo. Yenzani isishwankatelo. Or just simply summarize. Shwankatela. Shwankatela. Shwankatelani. And then give a critical analysis. Hlalutya. Hlalutya. Hlalutyani. So quite a lot of vocabulary there. So listen, mamela, take note, qaphela, write down, bala, look, jonga, switch off, erase, delete, cima, underline, kwela, turn the page, kila, read or learn, funda, answer, pendula, translate, guqula, remember, khumbula, discuss, xoxa, add or join, dibanisa, count, bala, relate or tell, balisa. Right, again, bala, subtract, tabata, multiply, pinda pinda, divide, yahlula, ask, buza, raise, as in voice, phakamisa, speak, thetha, repeat, pinda, try, zama, bring, yiza, ne or na or no, depending on what you are bringing, complete, gqibezela, make or do, yenza, summarize, shwankatela, critically analyze, hlalutya. There will be more practice on this. Enkosi kakhulu.